How to change passcode on Zangi application. Are you guys facing issues to change your passcode on Zangi application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the Zangi app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now scroll down. You can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on privacy. After you click on privacy, click on passcode lock and face ID. Enter your passcode. After you write down your passcode, you can see option for change passcode. Tap on it. Create a passcode according to your preference. Make it sure that no one can steal it. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna change passcode and Zangi application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Zangi application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.